Hello everyone, Tina here from Papertrey Ink. I hope you're having a great day. I'm so glad you're joining me. We're going to make a baby card today. I love all things baby. I just think this set is super cute. This is the Papertrey Ink's go-to gift card holder diaper bag. And what it is, it creates a diaper bag that you could put a gift card in. You don't have to do that. It actually looks great on its own as a focal point. And you can stuff it with all things baby. You have pacifiers or binkies. You have bibs, diapers, onesies even. And then in this set too, there's also 3 greetings. You have welcome, happy, and hello. I think that's pretty neat. So for the most part, we're going to be using this as a focal point. I'm also going to create a background using the Baby Cloud Stencil. This is what it looks like. And then I'm also going to be creating a frame, because you know I love my frames, using the Border Bling Skinny Star Frames die set. We're just going to use the middle one here. So let's jump in and do some die cutting. So I have some colored cardstock. I went with blues, yellows, and pinks. Now, of course, if you're going to make a baby boy card, you can completely skip the pink. We're going to be accenting the bottle with pink and then creating a bib with this pink cardstock, which is Hibiscus Burst. Actually, all of these cardstocks are Papertrey Ink's cardstock, and I'll list them in the description down below, and I'll list them over on my blog also if you want to know all the colors. Okay, but easily switch out the girl stuff with green, I would say, to make a boy card. Now let's go ahead and take our diaper bag, and I'm going to be doing some die cutting. And I love that there's layers. For example, this is your diaper bag piece, but you can layer a pocket on the inside. I like dimensions, so we're actually going to pop this up. But I'm going to go ahead and create a yellow diaper bag. I'm going to do all my die cutting, and I will be right back. I have everything die cut out, and now we're going to put it together. I'm going to zoom in and play a little bit of music while I put everything together. I do want to mention I have a couple of markers here that I'm going to add shading to. I'm going to use a gray for the bottle, the darker teal for the onesie top and bottom here. I have I have a light tan for the top of the bottle, and then I thought we would bring in a pink and rosy up the teddy bear's cheeks. So I'm going to zoom in. We're going to put this together, and I will be right back. Now we have everything all put together. What we're gonna, and look at how cute the diaper bag is. You could stuff it with a gift card. Let me show you. I have a happy birthday gift card, but it's so easy. I want to show you how it, I'm going to take a gift card. I'm going to put it in here just so you can see how it fits. Super fun. Or you could even put cash in there. Okay, let's go ahead and put everything together. Okay, first we can take our onesie and I'm going to use my tape runner to adhere this. Let's see. I'm going to put adhesive on the front of the onesie, and then we're going to tack it on the inside here. This way it's on the top part of the diaper bag, so you can slide in your gift card easily still. Okay, and then we can add our diaper. Just add a little bit of adhesive. Okay, let's go ahead and when I die cut out my welcome, I do want to mention I stacked 3 of them together for a little bit of dimension. And we're going to add our welcome on the very bottom of our diaper bag. We'll just tack this here. When I put this front pocket on our diaper bag, I made sure just to put the foam tape at the bottom. This way we can do a little tucking. Let's go ahead and add our bottle. We'll add a little adhesive here. Tuck our maybe we'll tuck our bib over here. I think I want to put the bib inside our diaper bag. We're going to add some adhesive. And we'll add our binky. Do you guys call it a binky or do you call it a pacifier? Or a nook nook? I've heard binkies, nook nook, or pacifiers this so many times. So cute though. Now we have our teddy. We're going to put some adhesive behind here. And we're going to place him right at that slit on the pocket. Almost like he's tucked in there. And then I'm going to bring in my glue. And I'm going to add a couple dots here. And then we can add our little paws. I just think this is so cute. Oh gosh, this is so cute. And then for this diaper bag, I created a little rattle. And I'm going to have it on the side here. See? And that is all there is to it. Oh, cute. I just think this is so sweet. I just love all things baby. And of course, again, if you squeeze it here, you can always put your gift card. This is a happy birthday one, but of course you could put a baby one in here. Okay, and let's see. And if you tilt it upside down, it's in there pretty good. But just in case, Papertrey Ink has the slits here to where you could tuck it in there to give it extra security so it doesn't pop out. Let me show you. So you would hold these in. Let me show you. Hold these in and then add it. And then your gift card's in there more secure. Let me show you on the sides. So it's not flopping around during the mail or anything. So that's what those are for. So I like that that's included. So there is our cute little gift card holder. Okay, now we're going to work on our background. I thought we would do some stenciling. Okay, let's do a little stenciling. And I have an A2 panel, okay? And I already put pixie spray behind my stencil here. And this is what it looks like. This is the baby cloud stencil. I want to go ahead and add this right over the top. Okay, pixie spray makes it tack down really easy, especially on the smaller size stencil. Now I have some inks. I have Orange Zest, Lemon Tart, Hibiscus Burst, and Hawaiian Shores. We're going to add some color. First with with Hibiscus Burst. I'm going to add some pink. And I kind of don't want it very dark, so I'm just going to go in triangle pattern first. Okay, then we're going to add our lemon tart. Kind of overlapping the two. I love these two together. When you overlap them, you get that beautiful orange. Okay. I'm going to bring in just a little bit of my orange zest. Just a little bit here. The middle is going to be covered, so I'm not too worried about that. And then finally, we're going to bring in a little teal with our Hawaiian shores. Okay. I think that's just the right amount. Let's go ahead and wipe off our stencil, and then we will take a look. Nice soft baby colors. How fun is this? Let's go ahead and take this and put this in the front of our card base. Now I need a home to put my diaper bag on. We have the Border Bling Skinny Star frame set. I kept mine together. I use this often, but I'm going to take my Spring Moss cardstock. This is just an A2 panel, and I'm going to run this through my die cut machine, and then I'm going to use the middle one here. Okay, and then I'm going to cut thin strips of the Summer Sunrise cardstock. This way I can put it behind the stars that are on our skinny frames. I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm bringing in some of my Papertrey ink ribbon. This is Spring Moss. And I'm actually going to trim off a piece, and I'm going to pull it on the inside. Let's go ahead. I'm going to add some adhesive here. I'm going to open it up. We're going to add some adhesive here. I'm going to wrap it around my card base and tack it. And when you do this, you want to make sure when you cut the end, you want to cut the end where you're going to put the bow. So I'm going to put a bow here, so that's where my end is. But the inside looks like this. Okay, after we have this done, I'm going to take some more ribbon and I'm going to tie a bow with it. I'm going to add a glue dot over that seam. We're going to add the bow right over that seam. Okay, and I always think buttons and baby cards go together. So I have some Papertrey Ink vintage buttons. I don't know if Papertrey Ink has this package of variety, but I know that they do sell colored buttons, and I have an orange one, so I'll link it down below. So what I did was took one of these buttons, and then I used some twine, and then I tied a bow in my button. And then I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to add a foam glue dot behind here. And then this is going to go right over. Of course, this is going to add bulk, but that's okay. You can completely skip this step. But I went ahead and put the button right in the center of the bow. Okay, lastly, I'm going to bring in my diaper bag. I'm not going to use the gift card in it today, But I do want to go ahead and add this kind of at an angle on my card here, maybe the other side. Okay, after we have this done, I have a pink marker. I do want to rosy up the cheeks of my teddy bear. I'm going to add a little bit of pink here. When it dries, it won't look as dark. I'm also going to bring in some of my Moonshine. I think this is Snowdrift. And I'm going to add a few sequins to my card also. And that finishes my card today. A really fun baby card. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're interested in anything that I used today, the links are down below in the description area. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.